Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of furniture restoration. We'll show you how to breathe new life into vintage pieces using paint, upholstery, and refinishing techniques. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, these tips will help you transform forgotten treasures into stunning statement pieces. Let's get started. First, let's assess our piece. This vintage dresser has great bones but needs some TLC. We'll look at its condition, decide on our restoration approach, and gather our materials. For this project, we'll need sandpaper, wood filler, primer, paint, new hardware, and various tools. Always remember to wear protective gear like gloves and a mask when working with chemicals or creating dust. Start by cleaning your piece thoroughly. Use a mild soap solution to remove dirt and grime. This step is crucial for proper paint or stain adhesion. Next, remove all hardware. Keep track of screws and knobs if you plan to reuse them. Fill any scratches, dents, or holes with wood filler. Once dry, sand the area smooth for a seamless finish. Now let's sand the entire piece. This helps remove any remaining finish and creates a surface the new paint or stain can adhere to. Start with a coarser grit and work your way to a finer one for a smooth finish. After sanding, apply a coat of primer. This helps the paint stick better and can prevent stains from bleeding through your new finish. For this dresser, we're using chalk paint for its matte finish and easy application. Choose a color that complements your decor. Apply thin, even coats of paint using a brush or roller. Work in the direction of the wood grain for a smooth finish. Let each coat dry completely before applying the next. If you want a shabby chic look, lightly sand areas that would naturally wear over time, like edges and corners. This reveals bits of the original finish or primer beneath. For areas you want to keep as natural wood, use a chemical stripper to remove old finish. Follow the product instructions carefully and work in a well-ventilated area. Once stripped and sanded, apply your chosen wood stain or clear finish. This brings out the natural beauty of the wood and protects it. If your piece has upholstery, like this chair seat, start by removing the old fabric. Keep the old piece as a pattern for cutting your new fabric. Cut your new fabric slightly larger than needed. Stretch it over the padding and secure it with a staple gun, working from the center outwards on each side. Now let's add the finishing touch, new hardware. This can dramatically change the look of your piece. To protect your hard work, apply a clear, protective finish. This will help your piece withstand daily use and maintain its beauty. And here's our finished piece. From worn out to wonderful, this dresser has been given a new lease on life. We've covered cleaning, repairing, painting, distressing, refinishing, and upholstering, all techniques you can mix and match for your own projects. If you enjoyed this restoration journey, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more DIY inspiration. Share your own furniture flips in the comments below. Remember, every piece of furniture has potential. Happy restoring, and we'll see you in the next video.